Welcome to this tutorial video. The goal of this video is to show how to navigate and use the patient file screen. The patient file is a vital repository of the patient's medical journey, encompassing all pertinent medical records and clinical events. Within this file, practitioners can easily access previous prescriptions, sick notes, investigation forms, and other relevant documents. Maintaining a complete clinical history is paramount for monitoring the patient's overall health trajectory and supporting practitioners in delivering optimal care. In this video, we will start on the diary screen. Click on a desired patient booking to open the diary sidebar. From here, click on the patient file button. The patient file screen will open, which we will now thoroughly go over in detail. Please note that the information on the patient file screen will be ordered and grouped in chronological order from newest to oldest. Click on a desired quick filter option displayed to sort the page according to the filter that has been selected. For more information in setting up your own quick filter options, please refer to the patient file settings user manual linked in this video's description. Each clinical event has been captured with its own clinical entry on the patient file screen. Each visit will have a date, treating practitioner, and invoice linked to the clinical events created. Within each clinical event generated, the type of event will be displayed along with the last date modification occurred and by whom. You can click on any of the clinical entry panels to expand and view the entry's details. We will now briefly go over the clinical event history action buttons. Click on the View History button to view the workflow event history of the selected clinical event. For more information regarding how the workflow event history works, please refer to the How the Workflow Event History Screen Works user manual linked in this video's description. If you would like to email the clinical information either to a patient or perhaps a referring practitioner, click on the email button. For an extensive explanation on how to send an email, please refer to the Send an Email user manual linked in this video's description. Click on the Print button to print out a hard copy of the selected event. Click on the Download button to save a PDF copy of the clinical entry to your local device. In some cases, once the Download button has been clicked, the print option will appear. Click on the Copy button to duplicate the clinical event into a new clinical entry for the current date, which can be adjusted and updated accordingly. In order to make adjustments or updates to a specific clinical entry, click on the Edit button. Please note that you can only edit a clinical event on the original entry after 24 hours of its creation. After this time window, you may edit the clinical entry from the patient file screen as well. For more information regarding the inability to edit clinical events, please refer to the Inability to Edit Clinical Documentation on Various Screens user manual linked in this video's description. Click on the View button to see a read-only summary of the clinical event's details. To disable a specific clinical entry, click on the Delete button. A delete pop-up will appear, allowing you to provide a reason for disabling the clinical entry with the field provided. Once satisfied with the reason entered, click on the OK button. A red line will now be drawn through the disabled clinical entry, with some clinical event history actions button grayed out as well. In order to re-enable a clinical entry, click on the Restore button, followed by the OK button on the pop-up that appears. The patient file sidebar is an extended screen on the right-hand side where more options and information are available regarding the patient file and their clinical history. For an extensive explanation of the patient file sidebar, please refer to the patient file screen sidebar navigation and news user manual linked in this video's description. Click on the Save and Close drop-up menu for more saving options. The Save button saves the changes that have been made without closing the screen. The Save Lines to New Macro button will allow you to create a new macro. For an extensive explanation of macros, please refer to the Macros Billing Combinations user manual linked in this video's description. Lastly, click on the Save and Close button to save any changes made and return to the diary screen.